As we discussed in the sitting with the children, that most of the children mention that they come from far away, then they have to face a number of problems on the way. Now, what we decided is we are going to follow three of the children and we'll chase them till their house and we will see what kind of ways they have to cross, and so that we could just see that what could be problems and what kind of problem they could face on the way. These are the three children, and the three children, especially two children, are well dressed, and then we found them very much talented as well. And then if they get support from their family, they can change their future, and they can change the future of this village. They can be a role model, and they are very much dedicated, therefore they are coming from far away. Now it is around about now 15 minutes that from school to here, and this is the way that they have to cross. This is a village road which leads to their house. You can see it's they are coming as such a long road. Now it's around about 30 minutes. You cannot see houses around. This is very a lonely place. And then you can see the sugar canes, and when sugar cane, for example, they grow higher, and then this can be very dangerous. This is a village road, and then after maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes you can find a person coming by motorcycle or tractor. This could be very dangerous for female children in such a lonely place. This is very much rational that how their parents would feel comfortable sending children from such a far-flung area to other schools, especially when they grow older. And you can see that there is no house, and then if something, for example, when they come alone, then anything can happen with them. Even parents that do not come with them till the school. Now it's around about 45 minutes that we are coming with them. You can see around. You can't see any single person coming, and it's now 1 hour that we reached their home. There are few houses, and then these children are coming from these houses, crossing roundabout. He's saying that education is very important for human beings. He's saying that education is very important, but we are poor people, we cannot afford. And he's saying that we are labor, we are simply hardly manage for our household, and we cannot afford to send children to schools. And he is saying that education is also very important, because if you have education, then you can get jobs. But we are poor. And then inflation rate is very high and getting higher and higher.
क्योंकि
but we cannot
पढ़ लेकर
teach, we
नौकरी
cannot
मिल जाती
manage
है
to
या कोई
educate our
कारोबार
children.
कर लेता है,
He's
बहुत
saying
मसाइल
education is very
लेकिन
important
हमारे यहाँ
because
स्कूल तो हैं,
educated person
लेकिन जो
can
टीचर हैं वो
run a good
पढ़ाई
business, can
सही
do
तौर
better
पे नहीं
job. But the one of
आते नहीं
the
हैं,
problem he is
फिर
indicating
बच्चे
is
जाते हैं तो उसको टाइम नहीं देते
our
पूरा,
schools
या 5-10
teaching
मिनट
system is not
टाइम
good
दें
and
तो
teachers are not
फिर सारा
giving
दिन ऐसे
proper
गुजर
time
जाता
to children in their
ਅੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਉਂ
education.
ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਆਈ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਜਿਉਂ ਸਾਲੇ ਔਖੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੰਡ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਬਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ
And he is
ਸਾਡੀ
saying
ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ
that
ਕਿ ਤਾਲੀਮ
we
ਠੀਕ ਬਣੇ
try
ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦੇ ਪਾਏ
try our best to educate our children,
Yeah,
but
तो
our
ज़रूरी है,
schooling
लाज़मी है।
system is not good. And then
तालीम सर ज़रूरी है, ये
he's
इंसान का
saying that
मुस्तकबिल है।
he's saying that education is very important
तालीम
and it's
के
the future
बगैर
of
इंसान जो है
human being.
किसी काम का नहीं है।
And without education,
तालीम होना
human
लाजमी
is
है। और
nothing.
हमारे ये बैकवर्ड इलाका जो है ना सर, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी कमियाँ कमज़ोरियाँ हैं।
he's saying that
जैसे
our
कि
area
हमारे
is very much backward
टीचर्स
and
वगैरह
there are
हैं,
lots of
ये
weaknesses,
स्कूल में हाजिर
and
नहीं
then
होते।
our teachers
और
do not
कुछ
come to school
ऐसे मसाइल
regularly.
हैं जो हम गरीब लोग हैं और
And
हम
then
अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते।
there are many other issues
स्कूल
that
दूर
they
हैं,
cannot
हमारे पास
afford
कापियाँ नहीं होती, किताबें नहीं होती
their
और घरेलू मसाइल
children
तो
to
इतने होते हैं
educate.
कि हम आगे अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते।
तालीम तो हर मुसलमान और औरत पर फर्ज है,
And he's saying that
लेकिन हमारे
education is
मुआशरे में
mandatory for
ज़्यादातर लड़कों को
every
तालीम
Muslim,
ज़्यादा दी
either
क्योंकि
men or
लड़के
women.
खुद जाके तालीम हासिल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो सफ़र
And
में
he is
मसाइल
saying
होते हैं
that
लड़की वो नहीं जा सकती। हमारे
male
मुआशरे में
child
कुछ ऐसा है
can
कि
go
लड़की को
himself
तालीम
and get
हासिल करना
education,
कुछ
but
कम होता
female
है।
for female, since
उसके
our
बच्चे भी
schools
वो
are
अपने
very
जो तालीम
far.
हासिल करके वो वही तालीम अपने बच्चों को देगी, फिर उसका खानदान
And then
तरक्की
she's
याफ्ता
saying that we know the
ये
importance
कहूँगा
of
कि
girls'
तालीम
education
ज़रूरी है।
system. If a
चाहे
girl
बच्ची हो,
is
चाहे बच्चा हो।
educated, then whole
तालीम
family
ज़रूरी
will be
है।
educated.
उससे ये होता है कि उसको मकसद माशरे में चलने का, आगे पीछे रहने का उसको पता चल जाता है। तालीम इसलिए
And he's
ज़रूरी है।
saying education is
और
very
तो ये है
important,
कि
that
उसको
education
अदब
is
एहतराम
the
छोटे
thing
बड़ों
which
की मकसद है
makes a
चीज़ का पता
person
चल जाता है कि
to
किसका
have a
कैसे
better
एहतराम किया
life.
जाता है। तालीम इसलिए ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है।
And education is very
दूरियाँ
important
यही है
thing.
कि उन्होंने बताया कि स्कूल हैं सही तो टीचर आते हैं।
And the problem
मकसद है कि
with us
15-15
is
दिन
we
की
do
हाज़िरी
have
और लगा
schools,
देते हैं,
but
जैसे कि
teachers are
स्कूल
not
के बच्चे होते
competent,
हैं, या एक
teachers
मिस
are
आ
not
जाती है, वो
regular.
हाज़िरी लगा जाती है,
And
तो पीछे
then
मकसद है टीचरों की तनख्वाह उनको मिल जाती है, तो
and
बच्चों को क्या,
then
उन्होंने क्या
teachers
करना है।
just get their
हम देहात में
salaries
रहते
doing
हैं,
nothing.
इधर स्कूल करीब नहीं है। शहर वाले तो उधर करीब करीब स्कूल होते हैं और
He
बच्चे
is
वो
saying
आसानी से आ
that
जा सकते हैं।
we
तो
do
हमारे
have
पास ये
school,
सहूलत नहीं है, इसलिए हमारे
but
बच्चे
it's
रह जाते
far from our
हैं।
village,
हम अकेले उन्हें कैसे भेजें?
and we cannot
दो
send
बच्ची
our
होती है,
children
स्कूल बहुत
alone
दूर होता है,
to the schools,
इसलिए
and we are
इधर
busy
हम
with
रहते हैं।
our household
अरे,
work.
एक
And
तो
if schools would be
हमारा
near, then
चपरासी नहीं है।
definitely they would send their children to
स्कूल
schools.
की सफाई करने वाला कोई आदमी नहीं है।
And
और
he's
दूसरी बात
also
ये है कि
indicating
वो
other issues
पहले
that
भी
there is
थोड़ी
no
सी हमने बात
anybody
की
who
थी
could
कि उस्तादा जो
clean
हैं
the
वो
school,
स्कूल में हाजिर नहीं होती।
and
आती
teachers
हैं,
are
ऐसे
mostly
स्कूल भी हैं
absent from
जहाँ
schools,
बच्चों को डांटा
and
जाता है जब वो
education
स्कूल नहीं आता बच्चा तो सुबह
department
कहते हैं जी आपने दर्जन
people
अंडों
do
का
not
लेके आना है
visit the
और पहिया
schools.
मक्खन लेके आना है तो आपकी
And
सजा
he
ऐसे
is
स्कूल भी
saying
हैं।
that there are schools that
और
they really ask children
सफाई
to
तो जाहिर है सर
bring,
जब
for
वो उस्तादा भी
example,
नहीं होंगे
eggs,
बच्चों को समझाने वाला
butter,
पढ़ाने
and
वाला
many
कोई
other
आदमी
things to
नहीं
the
होगा
teacher. If the
तो उसका
students
क्या
they do
होगा?
not bring their teachers. Audience, now we had just discussion with all this our honorable guest here, means from this village. As you notice that means this whole village, there are 400 houses. Unfortunately, no any single girl reached to grade 10, and then there is no hope. There is no hope. And when I just asked a parent, he told that he is not going to send her child to school. The child whom we just followed, and then that child, I think she is now in class 4, and she is going to have only 1 year school life, and then after that she is going to work in this field. She is going to look after these cows, these sheep, and then, but this is also very significant that these all understand that how education is important, and these all are aware, but they are saying that they are poor they can't afford.